Okay, so this is just going to be a refresher on the triangle inequality theorem. And what you're seeing here is I am kind of moving around all of these different objects and these different sides to see, like, can I make a triangle out of these three sides, the orange, the blue, and the black? And I was just now, but notice when I make the blue and the orange really short, it doesn't really matter how I kind of like hinge these around. There's no way I'm going to be able to get an actual triangle out of these. And I left the circles here so that you can kind of see, like, here are the possible places that I could actually end up doing it, but maybe we'll hide the circles so you can kind of see what's going on. But right now this 734 is just way too big to deal with these other two sides. And notice up here, I'm kind of comparing this 734 to this 526, and now we're going to make the blue side longer. Now we've got the orange and the blue together combined to be a lot longer than this. Now all of a sudden I'm able to actually make a triangle out of what's there. So really the thing is, if orange and blue are comparatively longer, so the two shorter sides are longer than the longest side, then you can make a triangle. If, like here, the two shortest sides, the orange and the blue, are way shorter combined than the black side, then you're not going to be able to make a triangle. So rule is, for triangle inequality theorem, the two shortest sides must be longer than the longest side. If that's true, you can make a triangle. If it's not true, like here, then you cannot.